Tang Xiao'ou, the billionaire professor behind Chinese artificial intelligence giant SenseTime, saw his wealth plunge by $2.4 billion in just one day, as shares in his Hong Kong-listed company dove as much as 51% after a lockup period ended on Thursday. The 54-year-old now has a net worth of $3 billion, which is based on his ownership of 1 million Class A shares in the company. A lockup on a portion of SenseTime's Class B shares, including those owned by cornerstone investors, has expired today. But the A shares owned by founder Tang, who is an executive director and the company's largest shareholder, are still subject to selling restrictions. SenseTime's key management announced that they are voluntarily extending the lockup of their Class B shares owned to December 29. Chief Executive Xu Li, Chief Scientist Wang Xiaogang and co-founder Shen Meng said in a filing to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange that this decision was undertaken in order to express their confidence in the long-term value and prospect of the group. For now, the lockup on Tang's A shares will also leave. Investors, however, appear to be taking the law's favorable view. SenseTime initially surged following its debut in Hong Kong, raising $740 million after its listing plans were postponed due to the company's placement on a U.S. blacklist, which prohibits Americans from investing in the firm. It then reached a high of $9.7 per share on January 4, up more than twofold from its initial public offering price of $3.85 apiece, giving Tang a peak fortune of $8.6 billion. Yet the professor, who still teaches courses such as computer vision and video processing at the Chinese University of Hong Kong, has now lost almost 70% of the amount. SenseTime's shares have been going down because investors are reassessing the company's profit prospects, says Shen Meng, director of Beijing-based boutique investment bank Chanson Co. Previous market valuations have been too high, Shen says. SenseTime's R&D is geared towards so-called core technologies. But there are a lot of uncertainties and it will take quite some time for the spending to generate actual profit. The SenseTime spokesperson declined to comment on the company's stock market performance. It generated 4.7 billion yuan, $702 million, in revenues last year, up 36.4% from 2020, as the company sold more of its AI-based software to the Chinese government as well as private enterprises. But losses attributable to shareholders also jumped more than 40% to $2.6 billion.